feel like your boss might secretly be a supervillain plotting world domination, or at least office domination? You're not alone. A whopping 82% of employees would rather swipe left on their job than deal with a boss that's more toxic than expired milk. Let's dive into this short guide and find out if your boss is the reason you're considering a career as a hermit. The ghost boss, Casper's evil twin. Imagine a boss who's more elusive than a ninja in a smoke bomb. Now you see me, now you don't. This boss is like a magician specializing in disappearing acts. Need guidance? Too bad, they're probably off practicing levitation or something. Guidance? What's that? Employees under the ghost boss are like sailors without a compass, lost at sea and probably resorting to talking to volleyballs. The narcissist boss. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Think of a boss who loves themselves so much they probably send themselves Valentine's cards. Everything is about them. Decisions made for their benefit. Your needs, afterthoughts. This boss's ego is so big, it has its own zip code. They're also credit thieves. Do you have a good idea? They'll claim it faster than a seagull snatching your sandwich. Success? They'll take credit like they invented success itself. The BFF boss. Friendship over function. Picture a boss who wants to be your bestie more than they want to be an actual boss. This boss is like a puppy, adorable but distracting. They'll prioritize friendship bracelets over fiscal reports. They're so desperate for your like that they'll derail productivity faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. The authoritarian boss, the office dictator. Imagine a boss who runs the office like a tyrant from medieval times. This boss loves control more than a cat loves catnip. They demand obedience as if they're leading an army, not a team. They're so involved in everyone's tasks that they might as well do the work themselves. But don't expect them to roll up their sleeves. Those are just for show. The bully boss, the playground menace grown up. Remember that one kid who stole your lunch money, but now they have a 401k? They use fear like a chef uses salt, liberally. Their favorite hobby? Making grown adults quake in their ergonomic office chairs. They'll call you out in a meeting faster than a reality TV show contestant looking for drama. The manipulative boss, the puppet master. This boss is like a magician, but instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, they're pulling strings. They've got more tricks up their sleeve than a deck of cards. And they're not afraid to play them to get what they want. They navigate the workplace like it's a game of chess. And employees are just pawns. The punitive boss, the judge, jury, and executioner. They're like a strict parent, but instead of grounding you, they're giving you extra work. Did you make a mistake? Prepare for a punishment that's more creative than your last marketing campaign. They also love playing favorites and pitting employees against each other like it's the Hunger Games. In conclusion, if you've spotted these traits in your boss, it might be time to update your resume or at least invest in some good office survival gear. Remember, a good boss is like a unicorn, rare, magical, and doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. Good luck out there.